In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fill a color in Canva. Specifically, we are going to be filling elements, shapes, text, as well as the background. So before we get started, the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account. And once you've logged into your Canva account, locate the project that you would like to do this in. And once you find it, open the project in the Canva design editor. Now, once the project is open in the page, to fill a color, you want to click on the specific element. So let's say that it is a shape. These two are shapes. So let's say it's a shape. When you do that, a row of top menu formatting options will appear. And what you want to do is click on the color palette, and you can select a new default solid color simply by clicking on it, or you can select a default gradient color by clicking on it, or you can add your own gradient color by clicking the rainbow color palette with the plus icon in it, and under gradient colors, click the rainbow color palette with the plus icon again to add a new gradient color. And you can add that new color and you can see the preview there. You can also click on change all to apply it to all your shape elements, or you can add a new solid color to fill with, and once again you have the option to apply it to all of your shapes. So that is how you add and fill colors for shapes in Canva. Now, if you want to do this to your background, simply click on the background that you would like to have filled on the specific page. So let's say it is this page. You can then click on the background color in the top row of options, and it is a rainbow color palette. And once again, the color menu will appear, and you simply just click on the color that you would like to fill the page with. Now, for elements, it's the exact same process. Click on the element and the row of options will appear. And because this is a multicolored element, it's black and it's white, so we will click the new colors. So let's say yellow instead of black, sorry. And then we go back to the top option, and we've now filled the element with new colors. And for text, we are doing the exact same thing. Look to the row of top options that appear and click on the text color icon. Look over to your left hand again where the text color menu appears, and you can simply just click on a new color to fill, and you have your new color. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you had any struggles along the way, or you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.